Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Python. Today we are going to learn extract the images from the video in Python. So we can make, so we are going to extract the images from the video. So we are going to add a video and whatever frames we are, then whatever frames we have, we are going to extract the images from it. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please to subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So here we have the code. Let's copy and paste this. Okay. So here we go with this one. Let's add it. So let's comment the previous one. Okay. Let's go with the next one code. Okay. Let's uncomment this. So I need to upload a sample video. I need to just go and check this. Okay. So I need to just go upload the sample video where we are going to make a frame. So let's go and just sample video. We can search it. Sample video. So download the sample videos. So here I'm going to use it. Click this and it's downloaded. Let's open it. Control X it, and let's go to the folder. Let's paste this and let's rename this. Control A, Control C, and let's add it over here where we go with the code. So let's paste this one. Right, so the same one with you. Okay. Let's try to create a frame. So Python 3, and let's, so where it gonna be generated, let's have a look. So the what's would be the extracted images, that should be the extracted image, would be the folder. So currently there is no extracted folder, right? So let's run this and check all the frames. Enter, and 30 frames from the video extracted. Let's have a look in the extracted images. Now here you can see from the video we extracted each and every image. Here you can see each and every image we have extracted from here, right? And I can show you the video also where it is. So here you can see the video is like this one, right? Which we have already extract all the images from here. Let's dive into the code level, how we have achieved it. Okay, so just let me scroll down up. So import CV2 extract images function we have. We require the video path, output folder, and the interval. Okay, then we have extract the images from the video at a specified interval. Okay, so we have do that one. Arguments we require, that is video path, output folder, interval. So the path of the input video file, path of the folder where the extracted images will be saved, interval in seconds between the each extracted frame, default is 1. Okay, so open the video file, first one with the help of the CV2 video capture with the video path, right? So now after that we are going to check if the video file is opened successfully or the not. With the help of the not cap is opened, print a error opening the video file and return. After that, if it is there, then we have processed the file, then create the output folder. If it does not exist, then we are using import OS, then make directory, that is output folder. Exist, okay, true. Then we are going to initialize a variable, that is frame count. Success to be true. Loop through the video frames while success. So set the frame position to the next frame to be read. So this is the method that we have to set, cap.set. Okay, so make sure you have to frame count on a, here you can set the frame position to the next frame to be used. Okay, read the next frame with the help of this cap.read. Okay, if success, then write the extracted frame to an image file. So here I'm going to writing in the output folder with the frame underscore frame count dot jpg. Okay, with the frame, increment the frame count with 1, release the video capture, and then print extracted frame count frames from the video. Okay, and then here we have a video path, output folder. Then we are going to calling the function that is extracted images, video path, output folder, and the interval. Okay, By doing this, you are able to capture the images from the video. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on my video. Have a nice day. In the next video, we are going to learn about the capture video from the camera. Okay, so here we are going to capture the video from the camera, like recording. Okay, record the video from our capture device. So here we are going to record the webcam and save that file into the folder. Okay, in the next video we are going to learn. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on my video. Have a nice day.